Hello friends, today I have some brands that is making me around $16 to $15 profit, and I promise you, you can find them in your local thrift store. So let's go. This is how much we sold. We sold in total 11 items for $352.98. Have been putting much effort in eBay than the Amazon these past weeks. Glad to see some results. Now let me show you what is sold. So as you know, this is my storage room, so I still have the same quantity of shoes, and that part that's only shoes, and that is clothing already broken in here. And I am planning to switch to different model for the clothing because that's what I pick it up more these days. So I have those two full, I have that one full, and I have these ones that I need to put away, but I know what items are in there. And this one is not that space, that's shoes, so I need to back it up the inventory items that I need to pick it out. Some of them was in the closet inside the house, but let me show you. First item that we are shipping out is this Creator Good Network. It's a really pretty cardigan. They have print like a dog print, and it's a patchwork. This patchwork is very in trend in any brand, and I saw like a few of these in a Brooks Brothers shirts, and this one is a really mastermind piece. There we go, we got it made up, and our thermal printer, a sticker. I'm going to make the double side by side like that, and this, if you were doing this process, it will cost us $7.20 to ship it. So in that way, you know, when you are making comps and when you are try to accept offers, you know how much it will cost you and how much you can accept the offer. Next item that we sold is this Ralph Lauren size 12, and this is a jacket, linen jacket, and this is really popular for summertime. So if you can find it, pick it up because it's selling really fast. This sold in 2 days. These chunky Skechers vintage kind of clothes, but have this Fox 4 in here, and this sold for a really good price. So we sold these Miss Me pants, and these are in the size, let me see, these are in the size 29, and these are the skinny ones. So skinny pants is very tough to sell. It have really good details in here, but either like that, it didn't sell fast, so it is what it is. We listed this in March, almost 6 months. So I'm pretty happy they sold before, you know, the 6 months. I received an offer before for a really good offer, $29.99, and now I had to accept the offer a lot more lower. First I doing the same, so now I doing my bag. This is a really good trick because it helped me save tons of money doing that. It will take a little bit more time, but compared with the money that you save, it's totally worth. As you can see here, the jeans can go in the flat rate envelope because it's doing that, and this is the size of that one. So yeah, really happy that we can send those pants in a flat rate envelope. We sold some corks. It used to be a time where corks was selling really good for me, but I accepted offer for this low top boots was selling really good like a year ago for me. But it is what it is. You had to adapt, and I'm happy that this goes. I just picked up these like around 2 months ago, so I'm happy that they are going. One, it will go to a shoe box, is say like that. We sold this Chico shirt. This is a really pretty. This is 100% silk, and we are going to send it in the same bag, so we don't reuse in these bags. So this is more cheap to do for me, so I just put it in there, and then I use this poly bag. This 8 by 10, and I love to ship light items like this because it's really fast to ship, and I wish that all my items was done easy like this. And then I always write in here what it is. So Chico's silk, because in that way I don't cross the packages. We are shipping out this beautiful tunic, and this is the brand I want to show you. This is the brand Indigo Soul, like that, and this is the size extra large. So it's a really pretty tunic, like a bow looking, really good for summer. And even though we are in the end of summer pretty much, these items are still selling, as you can see. And this sold 2 days after they were listed. This one was my mom's. So my mom, we thrifted together, but she did bury one day, and then she didn't like it anymore, so she said go ahead, sell it, and why not, right? So we are deciding to sell it. Let's see, we have 9. We are profit in this one. So this is a little commercial. As you know, I've been posting mostly videos about Amazon, but what I'm enjoying the most is getting stuff for the thrift store. I make more profit doing that, and I want to bring you more content about it. But I was still making content about Amazon because Amazon is my baby. It's my #1 platform. It's where I started, but I will slightly go through and building up the 6-figure profit business in eBay, and see how I can do that and how long it will take me. And I want to bring you with me when I'm doing that process. So right now I don't have overhead expenses. I'm working from my house, and I want to bring you and show you how I'm doing it from my house. So if you are interested about that, please consider subscribe, and let's continue the video. This is a really pretty garment. I will show you in here all the details, but this is express silk skirt. It's a maxi skirt, and oh my god, it was a really pretty item, and I am happy they sold so fast. I wish to find more items like that. That would be really cool. So for 15, this is a profit of $17. What a good items. This beautiful blush is Banana Republic. It's the second time they're selling a item for Banana Republic. They have a really good sell-to rate, which is so cool to find out about those items, so I can pick it up more when I am out there at the thrift store. This sold only in 5 days or less than that, which is really good. So if you know what you're looking, it's easy to bring these $16 profit and then make money. This is a Max Studio. These are some items that I regret to buying. I bought 2 boxes to a reseller called Daily Refinement Chris. Oh my god, he sent me the worst items ever, the worst ones. I know he put really good content, but he should have specified, hey, these items have been in here for forever. Make sure that you are using it for you or your family. But he said for reselling, you can do this and this price. I am losing in this item, but I am happy that it's going out and losing money in this one, which is sad. And then this is the last item for eBay. We sold this No Boundaries extra large a shirt. It's animal print. I love to pick it out animal print if they are really good pattern. I like this pattern here. Is very Y2K. So No Boundaries is selling in Walmart. eBay. We made a profit of $143. Our sale price is $30, and we have been selling 42 units for the past 14 days.